Okay, hi everyone. This class or this video is about how we can dilate an object using our compass and a straight edge. So what I have here is an example of taking a shape such as this little quadrilateral right here and stretching it out to become a larger shape that is very similar. All of the angles are the same, all the ratios are the same, and this thing has just become a larger version of the pre-image. And so we're going to go from small to big, and this is not too hard. And you could actually take something and actually decrease it as well. Have a scale factor less than 1. But right now, let's just work on scaling it up. If you notice right here, there is a point, and that's the point. It's kind of the origin of my dilation. Each of these 4 points of my quadrilateral here is used, and I just took a straight edge. Okay, so first of all, I drew the shape, right? And then I decided to take it out. Let me see if I can shade that in for you a little bit better so you can see. Alright, so that's the original shape, right? And then I just lined up a ruler with each of those, and I just traced each of those lines that went through every point. So the next, there's this point here, so I just lined it up and drew a line, and then there's 2 points up this way. Line it up here, and then line it up right there, right? And just go ahead and draw your lines out there. So somewhere along those lines is where we're going to put these points, right? And so then you just take your compass like this and measure out how long it was. Now I decided I was going to make it twice as big, so I went ahead and took my compass. I started here, right? So that's the distance to that beginning point, right? And then I just kind of went from there and I swiped it. If you can see that very well. See where I swiped it there? And then I took the same one and I kept my compass the same size, and I swiped it again, right? So from this point, I doubled the distance it was from the center. Okay, let's see if down below it shows up any better. At this point, this is about the distance from my compass right here, from here to here. Then I just went up to this corner and I just went twice as long. 1, 2, and that told me where to put this other point. Okay, and you repeat those steps with the other ones. All right, so that is the demonstration, or at least to talk about how to do it. I'll create another video real quick so this one doesn't get too long if you want to just watch in step-by-step instructions.